Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start a new topic. The name of this amazing, interesting and important topic is area. Our today's topic is about very interesting because the topic that we are going to discuss here is very important for our education as well as it has a great role in our daily life problems. I will show you later how it is have a great role in our daily life. Before this, we shall see its introduction and about it. Okay, student, and I hope you get everything that I taught you in some last videos. And I hope you completely get the idea about perimeter so that our today's topic will start with the topic of area. So let us see what is area. So first of all, how we know about the starting of area. So first we start from a closed figure because area is defined by this. This is a closed figure. This is a closed figure. Okay. This is an unknown but closed figure. Since it is closed, then it is obvious that it has boundary. That means this boundary will include some region inside it. Okay, this boundary will include some region inside it. Just suppose that the region that enclosed by this boundary is this. Okay, so this region, when this region is called area, then question arises that this region, since this region is called area, but when and how? But when and how? So, in order to say this region is area, as we have discussed earlier that when this boundary is called perimeter, we call this boundary as perimeter if we get the magnitude of the length of this boundary, then this boundary is called perimeter. Similarly, when we get the magnitude of this interior region, when we get the magnitude of this interior region, then this interior region will known as area. Then this interior region will known as area. Okay. So here we conclude that the region we define area, we say that the magnitude of the region enclosed by a boundary is called area. The magnitude of region enclosed by a boundary, by a boundary or by a closed curve is called area. So this is called area. Okay. So here we get the definition of area, but here one question again arises: how we shall find area? Now we shall discuss the process through which we get area, or you can say that after the development of its definition, one problem arises, that is how we get the area, how we calculate the area. So, in starting, when there is no knowledge of formula, in the starting, when there is no knowledge of formula, men are used a method to find out the area of a closed figure or of a closed shape using the method of dividing the area into small and equal square. Okay? So just suppose that this is a small piece of land. Just suppose that this is a small piece of land and we want to find out its area. Then here we have no idea about the formula. Therefore, we cannot find its area. Yes, since we have its length and width, just suppose that the length is of 4 centimeter, or you can say suppose that 5 centimeter, and the width is 4 meter, like this. Okay. Here we have the dimension of length and width, but we have no idea about the formula by which we can get the area. So, in ancient time, men are used a method to get the area of the piece of land, or you can say that any closed object, any closed regular object. So let us see what was that method men are used in ancient time. In the ancient time, men are divided the over the whole shape into a number of same small square. Since here it has been given that the length of this land is 5 meter. Okay, just suppose that 5 centimeter. Then we shall divide its length into 5 equal parts like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So here we have divided its length into 5 equal parts. And now the next, since its width is 4 centimeter, therefore we shall divide its width, that is this length, into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this way we have divided the length according as given its magnitude and width according as given its magnitude. That is, the length has been divided into 5 equal parts and the width is divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, and now we shall count the all small square. So whenever we count, we get that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So here when we count these small square, we observe that there are the total number of square is 20. There is total number of square is 20, which shows that 20 is the area. 20 is the area of this figure. 20 of the area. 20 is the area of this figure. Okay? But later it has been seen that only just counting the square along the length and the square along the width and multiply their number, we can also get the same result. So if we count the square along the length, we get that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And the square along the width, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 4. And here we get again 20. So it can be said that here it may be said that only just multiplying the length and the width we can also get the same result. So here a formula is derived from this concept is that area is always equal to the product of length and width. Product of its dimension, or you can say that length multiplied by width. Area is equal to length into width. So it can be said that area is equal to length into width. Okay, student. So this is the basic concept of area, and we shall use area is equal to length into width in our further study. Okay, so but here one most important thing has been seen that this formula is only applicable for some certain figure. When we get some figure for which the dimension is not exactly known, that is, the figure is unknown, then this formula is not applicable. So in that case, what we shall do? Let's see. So in that case, just suppose that this is an irregular figure, and in order to get the area, we shall divide it into a number of small squares. As the number of square is small, the accuracy of area is increasing. Okay? So we shall divide it into small square like this. Okay? Now our the next step is just count square, more than half square, and whole square. Whole square. Just count only these types of square inside this figure. Count half square, count more than half square, and count whole square only. So whenever we follow this rule, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So after counting these three types of square, we get that the total number of square in this inside this region is 14. Okay, therefore 14 will be the area of this irregular figure. Therefore 14 will be the area of this irregular figure. Okay, so we shall use such type of process in order to get the area of irregular figure. Okay, student. So I hope that you get everything whatever we have discussed in this session. So if you have any doubt, any question, then please go to the comment section and mention there. I will clear in my next video. So in the next video, we shall discuss some more about area. Till then, goodbye.